1969 Boss 429. Maybe one of the ultimate Mustangs, John, and
Yep.
Black Jade. What a color here.
Yeah, just what an unbelievable car. Top quality restoration. Take a look at that Boss 429 engine. Scott, that engine was so big and so exotic, it wouldn't even fit in that engine compartment without serious modification. A company called Kraft in Michigan got the contract to do the modifications, which were extensive. And they did it for one purpose, and that was to make that engine legal for racing on the NASCAR tracks.
Yep.
By the late 60s, the competition with NASCAR and other sanctioning bodies as well was so fierce that everybody had to keep pushing the envelope.
You mentioned Kraft. Each one of the Boss 429s has its own unique KK number. This one happens to be 1347. And the reserve is off at $375,000.
You know, Scott, you mentioned the Boss 429 series, only 2 years, 1969 and 1970, as being maybe the ultimate Mustang. And I don't think that there's any question at all on anybody's mind that that 2-year run of the Boss 429 Mustang set such a high bar for outrageousness and performance and image that continues to grow to this day.
$400,000.
Here tomorrow morning, go over it with you, okay?
There it is. $400,000 for the Boss 429. What a car it is. And with that, we will take a break from here at Monterey.